Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be collaging a masterboard that I can eventually cut up and make, I don't know, collage junk journal cards, art journal cards, that kind of thing. So if you would like to hang out and collage with me, that would be fun. So here we go. Collaging is one of my favorite things to do. I just think it's so relaxing. And I've got a bin next to me that's got a bunch of scrappy papers in it that I'll pull from. See where this goes. Hopefully not stick to my table. Fun part is definitely decorating at the end once it's all dry, but I'm just using a gloss medium Liquitex to apply these. I'll do a little bit on top after to hold them down. Let's see. Because I find if I use regular glue, once I cut my masterboard, I don't feel like it stays together very well. I feel like the paper peels up. So this is just a method that I've started doing with this glue, or not glue, gloss gel medium. And honestly, I didn't buy this for this task because I ended up getting it in some craft haul on Marketplace with other things, and I didn't even know I was getting this stuff. And then when I tried it, it was perfect. Oops, that needs to scoot over a little bit. Oh well. Might be easier just to put it on here. Let's see. I'm not sure if that piece is gonna go there. That might be fine. Still want to put a little bit on there. So it's old, I think, so it's a little chunky maybe. Or I guess I could do glue and then put a covering over it when I'm done, but who knows? Put this white on there. And my dog's under my table, huffing and puffing. It's still super hot here in Michigan, humid, a little less today than yesterday, but still pretty annoying. Is it still hot where you guys are at? Oh my gosh, I'm having struggles here. Oops. Collaging is also a pretty good way to use up some scraps, even though my scrap bin is ridiculously, well, I have like 4 scrap bins. I feel like I never put a dent in them, but I try. I create more scraps than I do anything. because I'm always painting and making something. Let's see. Oh, let's see. I'll use up this piece. Let's see here. Oh, this paper is very brittle. I don't know, it's probably gonna fall. It's like falling apart in my hand here. Oops. Oh my. Yeah, this piece is not gonna last very long until it gets put down, hopefully. Look at that. It is so brittle. Oh, let me find some good stuff here. Oh, there goes my dog moving my table. These look kind of cool once they're cut up. They might not look very good all, you know, just sitting here, but cut up is where the beauty comes in. Kind of fun. Oh, let's see, how about... Oh, that's sliding everywhere. This is like tape. It's got strings in it. Hands are covered in glue at this point. Maybe a small piece for right over here. I'll just do this guy. Oh, I'm sure there's much easier ways to collage using like bigger pieces and stuff, but I kind of wanted to make it hard on myself for some reason. It's getting there. All right, so let's see. I like having lots of different pieces. Oops. That one doesn't want to stick down. Not like that. Let's see. Can you tell I like polka dots? Let's see. Today's just a lazy day. It's not quite covering it all, but another thing, you could add washi tape to it. Let's see here. Not sure if it'll go with this particular page, but I was just gonna put a piece in there and see. Oops. I need stuff for these little spots. Like this. That doesn't want to stick down. I need one more thing for right there. a little bit smaller. That's perfect. All right, so I got everything covered. Now what I'm gonna do, move this out of my way. I've mixed up a little bit of gesso and water. Oops. Got some big splatters there. We'll see how that dries. Messy. I might have to sop up this one a little bit. It's not gonna dry very well. It's okay if it's kind of muted there. All right. So when it dries, I'll cut off the excess on the edges, and then I'll do the next step, which is chopping it up. So that will be part one, collage, and then I'll do some other types of collage in a little bit.